Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Lightstream and picking the project you'll modify. This saves time. Once signed in, set your canvas to the intended resolution, for example 1920 x 1080, so overlays scale correctly. Next, create a new scene and add an overlay or media source. This is the foundation. Make sure to name the scene clearly, because later you'll switch between scenes quickly. This first step establishes layer order and prevents sizing issues down the line, which makes everything else simpler. Now you'll populate the overlay. Drag images, GIF, text fields, or browser sources onto the canvas and arrange them where viewers will focus. Use transform handles to set position, scale, rotation, and opacity so elements don't block important content. This ensures readability. Group related layers to move them together, and lock any that are final to avoid accidental shifts. Also, assign hotkeys or quick scene buttons. That gives you reliable control during live sessions and speeds up scene transitions. Finish by previewing locally or using a private stream so you can verify timing, layout, and performance before going live. Make final adjustments to source filters, audio mix, and chroma key when using a green screen. These tweaks improve polish and viewer experience. Once satisfied, save the scene and test hotkeys. If something goes wrong, first check your network and any external source URLs. Then clear Lightstream's cache or reload the affected sources. That usually resolves missing or frozen overlays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.